Welcome to Panther Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys doing wonderful. Well, guys, today very cold today, and I'm not sure when the frost gonna really come. That last frost that gonna destroy everything. So what I'm doing today, guys, I'm getting everything that I know the frost gonna destroy. Okay, so we have peppers. Yes, the thing about the last frost, when that last frost hit, it dries everything. Even a pepper, it will dry them out. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to get rid of everything in case it come. I don't want it catch me off guard. Because sometimes you say, you know what, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. And then when tomorrow come, you really don't have the time. So I don't wanna be catch off guard. So I'm gonna be harvesting. Okay, all right. Guys, I believe I harvest over 100 pounds of pepper this year. And this is the honest truth. And even though at this time, the pepper them still have on young peppers, they still have on blossom, but at the same time, we know that they're not gonna last through the winter. They're not gonna survive the winter, so okay. All right. So what we're doing is we're getting them before the frost. Yeah. Right, so guys, this one we now have is jalapeno and banana pepper. This one is monkey pepper. Right, that's what I see. We have bell pepper. You see, they still pushing blossom and they still have young pepper. Oh man, I popped the whole. You see, this one is so heavy, it fall off the tree. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish pick. Still have a lot of small blocks. But I know for a fact they're not gonna make it through the winter. But I'm trying to get rid of these big ones so I wouldn't be catch off guard with the weather. I mean, guys, look here again, man. Watch here. Look the Monta bell pepper. Watch here, guys. Look up in here. Look at this one here. Ooh, look at this. I mean, look at the size of this bell pepper, man. And it was up in there hiding. Look at the bowl, family. Look at the bowl. Okay. So this one again, we pick all of these. Oh man, the bowl is full. Okay. We have pepper here again. We have pepper here. Look how much bell pepper we have here, guys. And we ain't finished. We have over here as well. We ain't finished, guys. Look here. Look here. This pepper is huge, man. Look at this one. This one have a face. You see? That one have a face. Wow. This is a serious pepper harvest for the guys. Right. I'm gonna put these here. Look at this, guys, and we in November. All this is bell pepper, and we still got more. Plus this, we still got more. So let's go around and harvest what is here. To harvest. Okay, guys. All right, look what's going on here now, guys. We have all these peppers. If the frost hit them, you wouldn't be able to get nothing from them. Because the frost, what the frost do, it dries them out. I've seen it before. So I'm trying to beat the frost this year. I'm still gonna leave a few, but I'm gonna try to get majority of them. Guys, this is a massive pepper harvest. My pepper them always produce many pepper all year round. Many peppers all year round. Look at this limb right here. My goodness. Watch it. Oh my goodness. Okay, all right. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just leave the rest. If the winter take them, they take them. If I able to harvest them, I'm grateful. But this is what's going on here right now, guys. A massive pepper harvest. And guys, guess what? We ain't finished. We ain't finished. We still ain't finished. We still ain't finished, guys. Look at this beautiful pepper, guys. In November. Look at these beautiful bell pepper. Look at the size of these bell pepper. Yeah. All right. So we still got more. Still got more. Okay. These are what we call Italian sweet pepper. You always gotta leave some to go back to the earth. You know? When you're doing gardening, you never pick everything. You always leave some to go back to the earth. That's very important. This is more than enough peppers. I definitely got to give away some of these peppers. I have pepper in freeze. I have pepper sauce. I mean, this is a massive pepper harvest, guys. Massive pepper harvest. We're trying to beat the frost. All right, guys. I know we still have pepper to harvest. I know we still have pepper to harvest. But what we're doing now, we're trying to harvest everything we can and clean up the garden, which we already start cleaning up the garden. We have lots of garlic plant, we have onion, we have scallion, we have ginger to harvest. We have many things to harvest, but one thing I know I had was to get today was these peppers. Because if I ain't get these peppers and that cold weather hit them, I can lose them. So this is why I come out today ready to harvest. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys do. This is about 5 different type of pepper I have here. We have banana pepper. We have monkey pepper. I can't remember the name of this one. It starts with H. Habana, something like that pepper. We have jalapeno pepper. And we have bell pepper. So look at this, guys, and see the amount of pepper we was able to harvest in November 2022 November. We appreciate you guys. We appreciate all the love and support we receive from you guys. So I just want to say thank you. Peace, love, and blessing.